34 Central.
Go ahead.
You got any Chickamauga officers working?
We have one. What's your? Yeah.
I'm on my way up. I just passed the crotch rocket heading southbound over 100 miles an hour.
I'm clear.
6234. I'm on Cape Collie Road headed towards 27. If he stays south, you might run into him. I passed him here at about the Lila Road bridges. He was well over 100. Description on the bike. It was fast. It was hard to tell. It was dark colored. He's had on a black jacket and may have had a white helmet on. He saw me. I hit my brake lights, and he downshifted, and that was it. He was gone. Clock. Negative. It didn't pick up for just for a second, but the tone had blipped about 112. Doppler. Go ahead.
I just left Gagamart. I believe I seen that motorcycle turn up there by the barbecue joint heading in the Chatoosa, or Catoosa.
Doppler. Central. I've got that bike picked up. East Long Hollow Road.
I'm clear. Do you have it stopped or you said picked up?
Negative. Still attempting to catch up.
I'm clear. 39 status.
Georgia, Tom David Victor, 870, I believe.
Clear 62.
62 Central. I'll have that box stop. Peavine Baptist Church. Okay, he's running.
Walker Central all units clear their emergency traffic for 62. All others go to tax force.
34 Central. Notify Catoosa and GSP. Show me around to him. Okay, he's continuing on Peavine Road.
Clear 62.
Walker County's 1080 with a crotch rocket. They're on Peavine Road in Catoosa County if they's a don't interest around.
Central, he just nearly hit a vehicle head on in the opposite lane. Speeds at 100.
Ground speed is 100.
Passing Beaumont Road right now.
Ground passing Beaumont.
Nickajack.
Clear, turn on West Nickajack.
Straight ahead on West Nickajack.
Clear, straight on West Nickajack.
34 Central. So you can get Catoosa County to get over to the backside of Jay's Way if he comes out the back of that neighborhood.
I'm clear. We're on the phone with him now.
Right on, left on Jay's Way, entering the subdivision.
Clear, left on Jay's Way. The 62 they advise Jay's Way makes a circle.
I'm clear, pulling into driveway at 390.
Clear, 390, Jay's Way.
Through the woods, going to cross rocket. Steal it!
Clear, traveling through the woods.
K9 to Floyd.
Clear on K9 to Floyd.
957. Motorcycles going through the woods at 390 Jay's Way, 390 Jay's Way. Motorcycles in the woods. 957 advising they've possibly deployed K9. Correction, County did deploy K9. No, Fed on units, just to advise. County's advising they are 10-4. County is 10-4, still in the area. They've got an unknown description on the driver of that motorcycle.
Trying to get to you. 15862. I'm coming around the house. I'm clear. If you'll just come right on up, kind of towards your left, up into the woods. I'm way back here.
You also have a 62 is your K9 secure for the deputy?
Negative, he is not secure. I've got him right here with me, though.
I'm clear.
Okay, he's secure.
I'm secure.